Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Kumar and welcome back to my channel Math for English. Today is day 11 of my 30-day English speaking challenge, and today I am going to talk about my biggest fear. So my biggest fear is speaking English and making mistakes. This is my biggest fear I felt ever. Uh, I This is my biggest fear because when I want uh, when I want to speak in my mind, in my mind, thought it's generated. What are the people think if I am wrong, and if I speak something wrong, then they make me fun and they will laugh. So that's why I'm not able to speak English and lacking of too much confidence. For conquer this fear, I take a challenge of 30-day English speaking challenge. In that challenge, I have to speak at least 1 minute at any topic, no matter I am speaking my English speaking is correct or wrong. Maybe I am doing too much mistakes. It's okay, but I have to speak English at least 1 minute. And now you can see that day by day my English speaking is improving because of my hesitations are day by day is decreasing. So that's why I am able to speak in front of camera and record it, and after that I'll upload it on YouTube as well. As so because of this challenge, I am able to overcome my too much fear of speaking English, and now I am becoming more confident. So now if anyone wants to to talk me with in English, then I'll try to talk to in English. So this is the big achievement for me. You can see the how nervous I feel right now while I am speaking in English, because I don't know my English speaking is correct or not. Maybe you make me fun of because of my grammatical mistakes and any other reason, but I don't care about these terms, because if I don't practice myself, then I'm not able to get any achievements. So that's it for today. See you guys in next day. Bye bye.